Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi and today we will see how we can create router transformation in IICS. What is the use of router transformation in Informatica Cloud? So first we need to understand what is router transformation. So router transformation is active and connected transformation. You can create multiple groups in router transformation with each having its own filter condition. So we can create the multiple output groups. So there are two types of output groups, user defined groups and default groups. So create a user defined group to test a condition based on incoming data, and default groups capture the rows that do not satisfy any group condition. You cannot edit, delete or define a group filter condition for the default group. So we will see in IICS how we can implement this. So we'll check one scenario, like I will show you my source data. So this is my source data which I want the salary greater than 10,000. So I have created two employee target. You can see I have created the structure only here. Okay, now we'll see how we can achieve this scenario. So I have created one mapping here. It is a simple mapping. We use the router transformation. So in router transformation, in output group, see this is the default output group. We'll give one condition. Here there are three ways where we can do the filter condition, like simple, advanced and completely parameterized. So we can select the field name, our department ID column. We'll select the employee salary which is greater than 10,000. You can see here the two groups. This is the default group and this is a user defined. See, the mapping is valid. We will run this mapping. See, it is succeeded. We will see how many records are affected. So you can see in my source there is a 6 records. In my target there is affected 1 record. In my second target it is affected 5 records. Now we will check this result into the SQL. So you can see 10,000 in my other group, means my default group, which do not satisfy the condition, and this is our satisfied the condition. So we will get all the records who's having the salary greater than 10,000. Now we'll see the different scenario. For example, this is my source. So now what I want, like I want the department ID whose department ID 10, okay, and non-matching department ID like 30, 40, 50 and 60. So we'll see this scenario how we can achieve. We'll delete this one. We'll create one output port, department ID 10. Now we'll select here department ID column which is 10. So I want the records like whose department ID is 10 in one group, and non-matching record means whose department ID is not 10 in other group. Mapping is valid. Let's run this mapping. You can see mapping is succeeded with 6 rows. We'll check. Yeah, so you can check my source data is 6 and my one target record is 4 is affected, and in second target 2 record is affected. We'll see here. So you can see the department ID here who does not satisfy the conditions. These all records in one target, and this is my matching conditions, like who is having the department ID 10. So there is a 2 records. So in this way you can use the router transformation in Informatica Cloud. Thank you.